If you make content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube and talk to the camera, you know exactly how painful it is to find the usable gems in hours of messy footage. I personally mess up constantly, fumbling through takes or repeating the same line until I'm absolutely exhausted. The good news is that you really don't need to spend hours scrubbing through timelines anymore to find the magic moments. Today I am going to show you a powerful way to automatically strip out the repeats, those awkward pauses, and all the bad takes in just a few minutes. The secret weapon I have been using is an AI tool called Vizard that is specifically built to turn your long, rambling videos into short, shareable clips. I love professional software like Premiere Pro, but sometimes I simply do not want to be stuck inside an editor for hours just to make a 60-second clip. There are plenty of plugins that claim to help, but many are pricey, clunky, or only built for specific event footage like weddings. The problem with those tools is that they struggle to handle talking head content where you are stuttering or riffing off script. Enter Vizard, which acts like an AI editor that actually understands the rhythm of human storytelling. You simply upload a long video, maybe a lecture or a stream, and it instantly hunts for the high-value moments that will perform well on social media. It doesn't just slice video at random loud parts. It intelligently looks for emotional peaks and those concise statements that make people stop scrolling. It also provides scheduling tools so you can transform a single long recording into a full week of reels without babysitting the process. Step 1 is just uploading your raw footage. It could be a 20-minute YouTube cut, a podcast episode, or a long live stream. Once the file is in, the AI starts analyzing everything, transcribing the audio and parsing it into segments that are ranked for virality. That is the magical part, because you no longer have to guess which 30 seconds are actually going to hit with your audience. Step 2 is setting your vibe, where you tell the software roughly how long you want your clips to be. If you want quick, punchy content, you just switch to a mode that prioritizes the hook, which is great for grabbing immediate attention. If you are trying to build an educational series, use a mode that tells the AI to prioritize coherent, step-by-step moments. Step 3 is previewing and refining the selection, where the interface groups similar lines together so you do not see duplicates. If the AI picks a take where you mumble, you can easily swap it for a better take right next to it without starting over. You can also nudge the start and end points, or merge two short clips into a slightly longer one to help the story flow better. My favorite feature is the automatic removal of dead space and those annoying filler words that make a video drag. Unlike manual editing, this AI model is trained on social content patterns, so it is way better at picking the stuff people actually watch to the end. Once you are happy with the list, just hit the batch export function to render your clips in the correct aspect ratio. You can also add auto-generated captions, which makes everything ready for your social platforms the moment it finishes rendering. If you want, pick from built-in templates like punchy title slides or dynamic zoom-ins to keep your brand looking consistent. The real game changer here is the auto-schedule feature, which lets you queue up your posts for TikTok or Instagram ahead of time. This is perfect for creators who want consistent daily posting but do not want to be stuck in the manual grind every single day. You can even manage your entire content calendar right in the app, dragging and dropping clips to change the schedule on the fly. Compare this to standard editing, where the learning curve for professional tools is steep and the manual cleanup is incredibly time-consuming. Other phone editors might be fast and free, but they don't provide the same intelligent pipeline for turning long form into short form. Vizard really sits in the sweet spot because the AI does all the heavy lifting while you keep full editorial control over the final product. Is it perfect? Of course not, because every AI occasionally misses a subtle moment or picks a weird frame for a thumbnail. If you are super finicky about custom motion graphics or specific color grading, you can always finish those few hero assets in Premiere. The best approach is to use the AI to crank out the consistent, snackable content and save the manual work for your big monthly projects. Here is a quick pro tip. Try to record your raw footage with clear hooks and slightly louder delivery so the AI can easily find those bang moments. When you stumble, just pause for a second, breathe, and then try the line again. The AI will naturally favor the cleanest, most confident takes. Always upload the full raw file rather than chopped up segments, as the AI needs that full context to understand the conversation. And if you want a little extra flair for your captions, you can use templates to emphasize keywords with colors and animations. It is not over the top, but it helps your clips stand out without turning into a flashy, distracting meme that feels out of place. Think of the subscription cost like this. If this tool saves you 2 hours of editing per week, you are getting massive ROI in saved time. That is time you can spend creating more, growing your audience, or just getting a much better night of sleep. To wrap this up, if you are a creator tired of the endless editing cycle, give this AI workflow a real shot. It is not about replacing your craft, but accelerating the boring, repetitive parts so you can focus on the creative stuff that actually needs your brain. Consistency beats perfection online every single time, so use these tools to keep the momentum going. Go record that ramble, upload it, and let the AI handle the tedious trimming for you. I'll link a sample workflow in the description below so you can see exactly how I set my clip length and caption styles. Try it for just 1 episode, and I promise you will be surprised by how many ready-to-post clips you end up with. Thanks for watching, and stay creative.